Amber Nicole Thurman is dead. I'm Dr. Bill Lyle. I practice obstetrics and gynecology. I'm board certified, and I've delivered over 5,000 babies. Amber was pregnant. Amber lives in Georgia, and Georgia has a law which protects patients' lives in the womb. It's called a heartbeat bill. Amber wanted an abortion, so Amber made an appointment with an abortion clinic in North Carolina. Amber experienced some heavy traffic, and she was late to her appointment in North Carolina, and so they weren't able to do a surgical abortion for the twins, but they did offer her the abortion pill. She took the abortion pill and she went back to her home in Georgia. 5 days later, she was very sick. She went to the emergency room. The emergency room realized that the babies were both dead. They did not have heartbeats, and so at this point there would be no law which would prevent the proper treatment of Amber with 2 dead babies on the inside. Amber also was getting infected and she was very sick. The emergency room consulted an OBGYN who assessed her and started her on antibiotics, even though the proper management would have been to remove the infected tissue on the inside of her uterus. He planned on doing a D&C, a procedure to remove the infected tissue, the next day. He didn't remove the tissue the next day. He didn't take Amber to the OR. Instead, he gave her antibiotics, but then she was becoming septic and her blood pressure was dropping. They gave her medicines to try to raise her blood pressure, and then he had to take her to the operating room later that day. But he didn't just do a D&C. He realized that the infection was so intense that he would actually have to do a hysterectomy, remove her uterus, remove her womb. They got on the inside, and because of the infection and the medicine that was given to try to get her blood pressure up, her bowel had become infected and was ischemic and had lost blood supply. Sadly, Amber died. Amber died because of the negligent management of an OBGYN. Amber did not die because of the Dobbs decision and because of a law in Georgia which said that she was unable to get an abortion because the babies had heartbeats. We treat babies in the womb as patients, and patients have rights. Amber is dead because of the negligence of an OBGYN. It's sad, it is tragic, but do not believe the lies. Do not believe the deception, which is coming from so many newspapers and other sources saying that Amber is dead because of a heartbeat law in Georgia. No, that was not the reason for her death. The heartbeat law saves lives. This physician is responsible for her death. The number one domino that started this whole process was when the abortion clinic in North Carolina did not do a surgical abortion, but rather gave her the abortion pill. And you know what? They didn't even follow up and call and see how she was doing. Amber is dead because of negligence of a physician, not because of a law which saves the lives of babies in the womb. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Dr. Bill Lyle, at prolifedoc.org. God bless you all. Follow the truth, defend my patients in the womb, and have a great day.